This video will demonstrate how to use the SCDMV online trucking portal to replace an apportion plate when it has been lost, stolen, or damaged. Before you begin, please be aware that the fee to replace each apportion plate is $6 and that your cab card must not be expired to replace your plate. No forms are required to complete this transaction online. From the customer dashboard, click on the Services drop-down on the left-hand side of the screen and select IRP/Intrastate. You are now on the IRP/Intrastate menu. Select Replace Plate from the Vehicle Credential menu box. Your customer number will automatically be displayed under the Supplement Search section. Select the Proceed button to continue. Select the hand icon under the Action column for the most recent fleet expiration year. This is the vehicle screen. Check the box beside any vehicles for which you require a replacement for the apportion plate. Each plate replaced will come with a $6 fee. Then select Proceed. Use the Reason drop-down to indicate why you are replacing the apportion plate, for example, whether it was lost, stolen, etc. Then select Proceed. Now, if there are no other plates to replace, select Done at the bottom of the page. On the billing screen, scroll to the bottom and select Proceed to generate your invoice. A PDF of your invoice will generate in another window for you to print or save. There will be a $6 fee for each apportion plate that is replaced. After you close the invoice window, you should see a message on the payment screen saying that the invoice report was generated and that the billing was completed successfully. Scroll to the bottom and select Proceed. The invoice will generate again. After closing the invoice window, scroll to the bottom of the payment screen and select Pay Now. Next, ensure that you have disabled your browser's pop-up blocker and click the Electronic Payment button to process your payment online. If you need assistance with this step, please see our video titled, How to Make a Payment. After you complete your payment, your credentials will automatically populate for you to print or save. Thank you for watching. For more information or other questions, please call the Motor Carrier Information Center at 803-896-3870.